Good day, kakabsat! Our journey towards discovery starts here. Umalikan! And for today's video, we will talk about the traditional attire of Benguet. But wait, I think I forgot something. Wait for me, guys. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm wearing traditional attire of Benguet. The traditional attire of Benguet reflects the rich culture of Kagtanaay and Butaloy. For today's video, we were gonna talk about what are these traditional attire. Women wear the divet wrapped around their waist down to their knees or ankles. They hold it in place with a thick belt called bagket. And for the top, I'm wearing a blouse called kambal or kambayashu. While for men, they wear a piece of cloth called kubal or jistik. It's usually white or striped in red and black. So, when they wear this attire? They wear this attire during special occasions like weddings, festival, or ritual as they represent their culture and who they are. That's all for today's vlog, and I hope you learned something today, kakabsat. Thank you for watching. Follow and support our social media accounts for more interesting topics about Benguet.